Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to this video. Now, Fiverr is a marketplace where people come and buy services. For example, people go on Fiverr to buy video editing services. People go to Fiverr to buy logo design services. People go to Fiverr to buy so many services. So, what are some of the interesting statistics that you need to know? Now, by the year 2020, Fiverr as a marketplace, as a website, was having 3.42 million active buyers. So, what is this statistic supposed to mean to you? Now, Fiverr in the recent past has been achieving tremendous growth. This means that so many people are going to the website to look for qualified and talented sellers. Okay, so welcome to this video. My name is Wills and I'm a freelancer. I've has over 6 years experience doing freelance work. And if you stick around till the end of this video, you'll be able to understand how to open a Fiverr account. You'll also be able to activate your account. Then finally, I will show you how you can edit your profile so that you can start making money on Fiverr. So if this is your first time on this channel, you can hit the like button, give me comments on what are the challenges that you've experienced in the past in creating a Fiverr account, and I'll be able to offer solutions. You can also subscribe to my channel because I release 2 or 3 videos every week, and they'll be able to help you to learn and start making money using freelance gigs on Fiverr. So without wasting too much time, let's get into the video. So the first step is to go on Google. You type in the word Fiverr. Now we want to go to the home page for Fiverr. So this is the first website. That is the link. We want to use this link to create the account. So when you are on this home page, you go click on join. Here, join. You will be led to this page where you can join with you can continue with Facebook, you can continue with Google, you can continue with Apple, or you can continue with your email. So just for demonstration purposes, I'm going to use an email to sign up, that is to register an account with Fiverr. So I enter the email. Let's enter the email. So let's see what happens. When you enter the email, the next step is to put in your username and password. So I want to emphasize that when you are putting in the username and password, make sure that you put in a good username that you can recall easily. So for example, me, I'm an SEO guy, so I want to type in something related to SEO. Let me say SEO expert. You see it's already taken, so you cannot use that one. So I will modify it by using numbers. Let's say 5 5 5. It It is still not working. Let me try 7602. You see, it has accepted that number. So I can choose now my password. That is the password. Then you click join. Wow, wonderful. Now we are signed in. You can see we are inside the Fiverr account, but there's a number of steps you need to complete in order to have your account activated. So don't leave the page here. You need to proceed by following these instructions. So you are supposed to activate your account by going to your email and clicking on the link that is sent to your email. So let's go to the email. Here we have the email. We go to inbox. We have a new message from Fiverr. You see? So here we have the activation link. This is the link that we are going to click to have the account activated. So let me just click on the link. It opens in a new tab, and you can see the message here: account successfully activated. Hey, this is a great time to edit your profile. So we have successfully created the seller account on Fiverr, and the next thing that I'm going to talk about is how to edit your profile properly so that it is appealing to the sellers. So after activating your account, the next important step is to edit your profile. So you come here on this icon, you go to profile. So there are items on your profile that you need to edit. The first item is your photo. Your photo, you click here and make sure that you have a nice photo that you can upload here with the right measurements. Make sure that it's also a professional photo. Customers are looking for people who look like professionals. So that is about the photo. Then the description item on your profile. This is also very important. You want to tell your potential customers who you are and what you're able to do. So don't go about telling so many stories. Just be specific and go straight to the point. For example, you can say, I will be your YouTube SEO expert. That's a very short but very powerful sentence. Then you continue. I know exactly how to write a perfect title, description, and tags for your YouTube videos. See, those are two very clear, concise, and powerful sentences that you can use to edit or describe what you are or what you are offering on your Fiverr account. So you update, then here you go and update your skills. Let's say one of the skills you want to update is writing. See, that is included. So you should include at least 5 or 6 skills that you are good at. Then also update the education section. You can put here your educational qualifications, which university you have attended, which diploma have you acquired. That is important for the customers to see. For example, I've seen somebody put that he has a degree from Harvard, and this can increase the chances of getting orders from your customers. So the last part of your profile should be a certification. If you have any certification, like if you are a certified Google expert, SEO expert, you can include in this section. So that is all about the profile. So the next session, the next video, I'll be showing you how you can create a gig using this button. You can create a perfect gig and start making money on Fiverr.